I am Skalk Botha, the CEO of the Bible Society of Namibia. I am wondering if you know who the Bible Society is right here in Namibia. We found that so many people in our country still do not know who the Bible Society is. But the Bible Society of Namibia is already a long time in Namibia, 40 years as an independent Bible society now here right in front of your door in Namibia. We are actually part of the United Bible Societies, a worldwide fellowship organization. And there are about 158 Bible societies across the world. And we all have this big mission to make the Bible available to everyone. And our bigger organization, the United Bible Societies, is actually a Bible translation agency in the world. And we are responsible to have the Bible available in all different languages in every country where we are situated. And this year, the United Bible Societies is already 80 years old as an organization in the world. So it is important for you to hear a bit more about who we are as a Bible society here in Namibia, because where your Bible is coming from is actually coming from our Bible society or another Bible society in our region, depending on the language that your Bible is written in. And you are dependent of our Bible societies to make this Bible translated as a translation available in your mother tongue.